back to another gameplay. So guys, I'm again going to play Duty Force, and you are going to say that how did you that how did you go now? Because in my before video I died because so the story was like that Richie gone was go to the that scientist lab, and his invention lived in his invention that was that person will get arrived. So Richie put my dead body, and he put the zombie on my body, and then some doctor gave me antidote, and after that military gifted me a jeep, and I didn't know how did they gifted me. So he have said that come on to our military base, we have a work, and this Formula Ferrari and this Lamborghini I have bought with my money. See my money on the top side, it's improved now because because military give me 1000 rupees also that buy a Formula, but I was already having a Formula Ferrari. So I don't know why did the military colonel called me, but he will say is definitely going to say that killed, he has said me that killed mafia, and he's in a lot of time, so we cannot ignore him. So I'm going to the mafia's private island, and mafia's private island is very far away, and he will say that you have a sports car, but no, we will. So he doesn't know that we have Formula Ferrari, Lamborghini, and military jeep. We will just say him that we don't have only that I only have one car, and this is my and this is my best favorite car, and then I will destroy this car. Then I will put this car into my cargo plane, and after putting my into cargo plane, I will the mafia will definitely die. So his location is near military base, but not in military base. So I have killed it. So I will just say mafia that I will not kill you. I have you can leave, but I've just seen in acting in, but in this time I'm going to the mafia's there, and then near the hot air balloon there the mafia lives, and he is not going to leave. So basically our car should not be drawn, and this will not draw, I know, because any of the car doesn't draw in this game. Hey, wow, that's a yacht going over there. Our car, please. Oh, there we go. Nitro also doesn't help me. So I need to go very carefully. Equip machine gun with towers, because the guards will be very strong, I know. And there's the mafia behind that. So guys, we are on the mafia's Bugatti, and mafia has a Bugatti. This is mafia's second latest car. The first latest car is that PewDiePie's chair. That was third, and the first is his Lamborghini. So my plan is that I'll go near the airport, and I'll just say I need to check his top speed. So he said yes, but see what I will do in the end. This, and always say me that you killed it. Then military colonel will say me you killed his mafia in 2 episodes only. Richie have told me the plan, and now I will never be drunk anymore in this game. And see what I'm doing now. He have said me that you can check this car top speed at this, but only once. But his last time he is sitting in the car, because I'm going to do a very big incident. There we go. Okay, I think he's not able to get up. Die. So guys, we have killed this mafia finally. But why the police are behind ours? We have killed the mafia. Finally, my revenge is complete. We have killed at the mafia finally, guys. But this is not the end. I will go. The military colonel give me reward first only, so he will not give me reward. But the tensions. But I was saying in before video that I will use my private jet to kill him. But you are wrong. I'll not use my private jet because why I use my private jet to such a stupid mafia. He was very stupid that he believed in our gangsters. And I'm not a gangster anymore. I'm mafia in this game now. My revenge is complete, and there we go. There is my blue private jet. This is my latest jet, but now let me call to the military colonel and say we have done your work. Guys, I am very happy. You know that airship carrier? He have gifted me with some fighter jets that are very high speed. So I am very happy. Now I have Lamborghini, lots of one private jet, lots of fighter jets, and many and Formula and military jeep. I have all of them. But military jet, I didn't stole. The colonel have gifted me for his work, and I have done his work. So basically, I have now three luxurious car. No, only three luxurious car. Two Formula, but I can order Formula, so I am saying that. And one. Wait a second, I need to go out this. And one Lamborghini and lots of things. First, let me do moon gravity. Okay. What's the sound coming? Looks like some function is starting. So guys, I'm not getting the way to get out. I see you after getting out. So guys, I'm finally out with that tension because I'm not getting the way out. But then also guys, my revenge is complete. And see, who parked this garbage van in front of my hypercar? My hypercar Formula and in front of my Lamborghini. Get the hell out of here! And guys, see one thing. Which military jeep I was military colonel gifted? No, he was saying that choose any jeep you want, and I choose this because see, his front look is very awesome, and this has blue nitro, my favorite nitro, and the car's top speed is 202 and his top speed is 300 almost, and his car's top speed is 305 almost. And I wanted to buy I am thinking in next if a next update gets a Bugatti Chiron, because Chiron is more faster than Veyron, but then also Veyron and Chiron both are same, but you know that in this area we got to get a bike. There are four vehicles we get to get once. On my luck is awesome. I get this Suzuki KTM. Now let's take this KTM and ride on the city. We will gift it to Richie because that Lamborghini, you know, that Richie gifted me. His lifetime partner he gifted me. So I'm rich. He's also rich because he has a more powerful house than me. So I'm gifting this super bike to Richie because Richie doesn't have any of the sports vehicle or any of the super vehicle. Richie, I have a gift for you. I am here. Okay, there's my stunt. Oh wait, Willy? I didn't choose a option to Willy. Yes, red bike. I did it with a lot of stunt. Let's get on his dirt bike and go into our home. Now Richie is not a vehicle-less and I am also not vehicle-less. So guys, I'll show after Richie. So guys, that's all for this video. Make sure to guys like, subscribe and turn on notifications. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care everybody. My revenge is complete. Subscribe for that, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care everybody and goodbye.